Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. Today we will discuss 4 resume mistakes. Okay, so composing a resume is a difficult task, as we all know. It takes time and patience to fit your whole professional history within 1 or 2 pages and present yourself as the best candidate for the job. While we focus so much of our energy on what to include in our resumes, we forget to stop and think about the information that should never be included. The following 5 items are the top of the resume's don't list. Number 1, do not get personal. Any information that discloses your demographics should not be listed in your resume. Your age, race, ethnicity, religious beliefs, marital status, physical appearance, or your personal philosophies are not critical to your job performance and therefore should never be listed on your resume. Present yourself as a professional to your potential employer. Your resume is not a list of your hobbies or interests. It is a listing of your education, your qualifications, and your employment history. Stick to the information relevant to the job and your career objective. Number 2, do not list salary information or requirements on your resume. This is a strict rule and you must follow it. Your employer is concerned with what your desired salary is, not what you earned in your first job out of college. If you are asked to provide salary requirements, do so in your cover letter, not your resume. As a best practice, always list the minimum you're willing to accept for the job and avoid using a salary range. Do your research and know what the acceptable salary is for the position of your interest. Whenever possible, leave all salary conversations for the interview. Number 3, do not use jargon or too many big words, unless you're absolutely certain that the person reading your resume will understand the terminology you're using. Gear your resume towards recruiters rather than immediate hiring manager. Because the human resources associates are usually the first to scan your resume, you should always showcase your knowledge of a particular field through your education and experience. Thus, jargon doesn't have any place in your resume. In addition, avoid using too many big words. Don't hide behind your vocabulary. Trying to make your resume overbearing is a sure way to lose the interest of your employer. Use the action words that are relevant to your career level. Number 4, do not have any typos. It sounds crazy, but the most important factor in achieving a winning resume is proofreading. You want to put your best foot forward. If your resume contains grammar and spelling problems, your potential employer will get an impression that you're not detail-oriented. And it is hard to proofread a document that you've been working on so closely. So make sure you're using spell check, but beware it will not catch everything. Ask your friends to help you, family members. Meet with your career counselor. Do your best to present the most polished resume to your potential employees. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out gethiredsecrets.com. Again, that's gethiredsecrets.com. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.